Alright guys, so this is how it looks lined up. So let's go ahead and show you the footage. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're showing you guys this dual cam. So this is your 2K video doorbell camera. So let's go over a couple features and then show you guys what you get. So it's got PIR and radar, sensor, human detection, package detection, two-way talking, activity zone, infrared night vision, IP67 waterproof. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So guys, this is the chime. So you would plug this into your wall outlet. Here is the actual camera. So yeah, you got doorbell, dual camera, and package camera right there. So bottom for the packages, you got the top one for your doorbell, and then also your camera right there. So it definitely looks like a really nice unit so far. Very impressive with that. And they give you all your accessories that you need right inside here. Very nice. They also give you your mounting brackets as well as your drill line. So they give you this piece that what you do is you put this on the wall, you drill your holes, and then you remove this, and it makes it easy installation. They give you your decal, charging cable as well for charging the device, which is charged under here. Now some people have connected a solar panel to this. I've seen them do that. So you know, you guys can do what you want. Some people connect power banks, some people even connect it permanently on. So there's so many options that you guys can do. But to turn this on, you have your power button on the back here. Make sure you're ready to set it up and have the app and everything, which you can find inside your manual, and go from there, my friends. Alright guys, so this is how it looks lined up. So let's go ahead and show you the footage. Hey everyone. Hey, are you home? Can I come in? So guys, this is the footage. Now, of course, I did some edits with my editing program, but mostly this is how the footage looks like. You can crop it. I have it zoomed a little bit with my program, but you guys can crop it to make it a wider area if you want. There's so much you can do with the app. Just make sure you check out the manual for more information and the listing. It's very easy to install, not hard at all. Auto tracking and stuff's very cool with it. So to play with it, I know we're gonna have a lot of fun, but right out the box, I like it a lot. It's really nice.